Welcome back to session 3. You are doing a good job maintaining that consistency with your workouts. Remember, you have a short-term goal. Yes, it could be to lose X amount of weight, it could be fat loss, etc. But there is always a long-term goal, which is to stay fit, stay healthy, and most importantly, age gracefully. You are on the right path. The 3 movements we will do today is squat, focusing a lot on the lower body strength and your hip, knee and ankle mobility. Skipping, adding some cardio into your routine. And mountain climbers, focusing on cardio and a lot of strength for the entire body. But before our main movements, let's get some warm-up. Let's begin with some warm-up. Your first movement is the arm swing. Just take it up and down. A very simple movement. Let's do this together for 20 seconds. And go. Keep your arms straight. Elbows soft. 10 seconds down. And keep your range of motion the maximum, ensuring those shoulders get really warm. And done. The second one is a hip rotation, feet wider than hip width apart. We're going to go clockwise and anti-clockwise, 10 seconds each side. Let's do this together. Nice big rotation, mobilizing those hips and opening up the hip flexors and reverse. Focus on your breathing. And done. Your third movement is the side bend. Keep your feet wider than hip width apart, arms raised up to the ceiling. We go one side, bring it back to the center and to the other side. Just get as low as you can. Let's do this together for 20 seconds. Chest facing in front. Arms raised up. 10 seconds down. This one really attacks the hamstring and the calf. And done. Your fourth movement is called the butt kick, where you take the heel all the way up to the butt. Yes, let's do this together for 20 seconds. Go. This one is stretching the quads, I feel it, and working on the hamstring and your calf muscle. Ensure the heel comes in contact with the butt. Last 10 seconds, pick up the speed. Come on. This one's preparing you for the main movements. And done. Our first movement is the squat. Just imagine sitting on a chair. Keep your feet hip width apart. Now arms out, drop your bottom all the way at the back. Push your knee out to the side. That's it. Keep your upper body as straight as possible. Now, if you look at it from this angle, you see my knees are not going ahead of my toes. That's all you need to keep in mind. You don't need to go too low, just as comfortable as you are. Let's do this together for 30 seconds. Go. Squat and up. You don't need to go too low. Just remember to push your knee out to the side, diagonally. Upper body as straight as possible. Really strengthening the lower body. Last 10 seconds. And you're done. 15 seconds rest before we go into movement 2. Walk around. Our second movement is skipping. Yes, we're bringing back skipping again. 30 seconds together. Let's go. Move your arms because we're working on that forearm strength with this one. Bounce off the ground and keep your knees soft. Breathe. Last 10 seconds. Stay with me. And done. Rest 15 seconds before movement 3. Move around, don't bring your heart rate down. And grab a sip of water to prepare for our third movement. And the third movement is the mountain climber. Yes, imagine climbing a mountain. All fours, all we need to do is bring one knee in at a time, closer to the elbow. That's it. Let's do this together for 30 seconds on the clock. And go. Okay, engage your midsection. Ensure your arms are right beneath your shoulder. Come on. 10 seconds. Bring that knee in as close as you can to the elbow. And 15-second rest before round 2. Yes, that one takes your heart rate up. So walk around. Let's prepare for our squats. Round 2, first movement, squats. Feet hip width apart. Keep your upper body nice and straight and drop down. As you go down, imagine sitting on the chair. Push your knee out to the side. Now we can add a little bit of intensity here if you would like by picking up some speed. No pressure again. Do it at your own pace. Get the technique 100% right. Just 10 seconds. Come on. Push your knee out to the side. Keep your upper body as straight as possible. And rest for 15 seconds before movement 2. When you pick up speed with that squat, you'll really hear your heart racing. But for now, just focus on the technique. Keep moving. And ready for that skipping. 3, 2, 1, go. Have you ever counted the reps that you get for 30 seconds? We should the next time. Come on. Move your arm. Last 10 seconds. Down. Rest 15 seconds before movement 3. Swing your arms, relax, take a deep breath, and prepare for our third movement. Get ready. 30 seconds, mountain climbers, and go. Come on, this one's really strengthening my upper body, my lower body, and the midsection is on a blast. Come on, come on, come on, 10 seconds. Don't stop. You can rest all you want after this one. And we are done. And now 15 seconds break before we go to round 3. Walk around, keep moving. Don't let the body cool down. Round 3, first movement, squats. Feet hip width apart, keep your upper body nice and straight and drop down. As you go down, Imagine sitting on the chair. Push your knee out to the side. Now we can add a little bit of intensity here if you would like by picking up some speed. No pressure again. Do it at your own pace. Get the technique 100% right. Just 10 seconds. Come on. Push your knee out to the side. Keep your upper body as straight as possible. And rest for 15 seconds before movement 2. When you pick up speed with that squat, you'll really hear your heart racing. But for now, just focus on the technique. Keep moving. And ready for that skipping. 3, 2, 1, go. Have you ever counted the reps that you get for 30 seconds? We should the next time. Come on. Move your arm. Last 10 seconds. Down. Rest 15 seconds before movement 3. Swing your arms, relax, take a deep breath, and prepare for our third movement. Get ready. 30 seconds, mountain climbers, and go. Come on, this one's really strengthening my upper body, my lower body, and the midsection is on a blast. Come on, come on, come on, 10 seconds. Don't stop. You can rest all you want after this one. And we are done. Let's now cool down and relax the body. First up, a quad stretch targeting your thigh muscle. Grab your ankle, bring your heel close to the butt and stay. 10 seconds on both sides. If you lose balance, you can hold on to a wall or a pillar. Let's do this. Focus on your breathing. And switch sides. The closer you bring your heel to your butt, the bigger stretch around your quadriceps, which is nothing but your thighs. And drop. Your second one is the hamstring stretch, right here, and the calf muscle. Now, you're going to cross your legs, go all the way down, and hold. 10 seconds on either side. Let's go. Keep your knees soft. And switch. Reach as far down as possible. This way, your stretch around the hamstring and calf enhances. And done. Your third one is the hip flexor stretch. Let's go down, bend your knee 90 degrees in front, and the leg at the back will extend out nice and straight. Arch the upper body, look in front. Let's do this together for 10 seconds on either side. And down. Focus on your breathing. Look in front and arch. And switch. Now, the bigger your arch, the greater the flexion for your hip flexor. So hold that arch tight. My hip flexors are crying. And done. Your fourth one is a chest and back stretch. Feet apart, grab your arms in front, knees soft. And the same thing, we take it back, and open up the shoulders. Let's do this for 10 seconds in front and 10 at the back. Let's go. Knees soft. And breathe. And take it back. Open up the shoulders, push it back, opening the chest further. And you're done. And that was session 3, my dear friend. Yes, that was fabulous, and it was a great cardio and strength workout, contributing more towards that fat loss. The one other thing you need to keep in mind about workout is that it makes your day productive. Yes, it contributes a lot to your weight loss, to your physical well-being, but it also contributes hugely to mental well-being. So another reason for you to incorporate a 15-minute workout every day. I'm gonna see you in session 4. Until then, take care of yourself, eat clean, hydrate plenty, and sleep well. Bye-bye.